Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're exploring AI versus humans in war zones. Technology is changing warfare faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence is now being used for surveillance, targeting, logistics, and even autonomous systems. But can AI replace human soldiers completely? AI has several advantages. It can process massive amounts of data in seconds. It does not feel fear, fatigue, or stress. Autonomous drones can patrol areas for hours without rest. AI systems can detect threats faster than human reaction time. For example, modern fighter jets like the F-35 Lightning II use advanced sensor fusion powered by AI-assisted systems. This gives pilots a complete battlefield picture in real time. Autonomous drone swarms are also being developed to coordinate without direct human control. AI can analyze satellite feeds, radar signals, and communication data instantly. However, humans still have critical strengths. Human soldiers make ethical decisions. They understand complex emotions and unpredictable behavior. In chaotic war zones, moral judgment can be just as important as speed. AI systems can also be hacked or jammed. Cyber warfare poses serious risks to autonomous platforms. If communication is disrupted, AI systems may lose coordination. There are also legal and ethical concerns. Who is responsible if an autonomous system makes a mistake? Many countries are debating international laws around lethal autonomous weapons. Most experts believe the future will not be AI replacing humans. Instead, it will be AI assisting humans. Human-machine teaming may become the new standard. AI handles data and rapid calculations. Humans make strategic and ethical decisions. In future war zones, victory may depend on the balance between artificial intelligence and human judgment. The real question is not AI versus humans. It may be how effectively they work together.